Want to write a book? Watch this before you start. You've dreamed of writing a book, but let's be honest, where do you even start? The idea is in your mind, but distractions, doubts, and delays keep you from taking action. And even if you start, how do you structure your book? How do you format it? How do you make sure it's good enough to publish? How do you get it out into the world? Well, it gets worse when idea generation paralysis sets in. And one of the biggest struggles? Idea generation. You have the knowledge all right, but how do you turn it into a book people actually want to read? Do you know that without a clear, structured process, most people never get past page 1? Secondly, procrastination and overwhelm may be your own nightmare. Be honest. How long have you been saying, "I'll start writing my book next month"? Weeks turn into months, months into years, and that book, still unwritten. Procrastination is the silent killer of great books. Cast it off now. Thirdly, no book structure equals no progress. Even if you start without a proven structure, your book ends up disorganized, confusing, and impossible to finish. Most first-time authors give up before they even reach chapter 3. A great book isn't just words on a page, it's a well-structured masterpiece. Then you start and hit the formatting and publishing nightmare. Let's say you finally finish writing. Now what? Formatting your book for print and digital, understanding ISBNs, Amazon KDP, and cover design can be overwhelming. Without expert guidance, you could spend months just figuring this part out. And finally, writing without a plan equals lost income after all that hard work. What if no one buys your book? Books don't sell themselves. Without the right marketing plan, your book could disappear into the void of Amazon. You need a strategy to turn your book into a business, not just a forgotten project. And you must be wondering, should I just give up? What is the solution to all these challenges? This is why we created the 10-week book writing and publishing coaching program. We take you from idea to finished, published book in just 10 weeks. This is all thanks to personalized coaching, step-by-step guidance every week, proven writing formula, no more guesswork and time wasting, professional editing and formatting. We handle the hard part professionally, publishing done right. Your book on Amazon, Apple Books, international markets, and more. Marketing strategy. Get your book noticed, sold, and profitable. Create more impact. Learn how to transform your book into a course. Listen, you can work slowly alone and get the same results, or work efficiently with us and publish within weeks. And note that this is your time and opportunity. Your message deserves to be heard, and your book deserves to be written. So, join today and get one step closer to becoming a published author with Success Mindset Publishers. Join our 10-week coaching program now and be guaranteed writing and publishing success. Spots are limited. Secure your seat now by clicking the button below.